see.
Oh yeah, there's already cars down here.
Man. That's not where the creek's supposed to be.
We're going a little further.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get in the water.
There's already cars down here. I wanted to see if I can see the car that guy had to get rescued. Alright, get your wading shoes.
Is it over? It's not over the bridge.
No, not over the bridge, but it's everywhere. No, I'm not walking.
The creek's supposed to be over here.
Oh, let's go sit on the bridge.
Once in a while.
Man.
There is a car in it, but it's all the way on the other side.
Apparently there was a rescue on that side of the road last night. Got a dam going.
Yeah. That was all flooded here too. There's actually a subdivision right there.
A what?
There's a subdivision right there.
Well, I can see the subdivision.
I mean, it's like literally like a dam blocking it. Like, you know.
Look at that tree.
Are you filming this for Mom?
I'm just filming it. I'll put it on my YouTube channel. Holy cow.
This was farm field on both sides.
Yeah, this is not supposed to have water in it. Is that a car way over there? I didn't know if it was... No, not on this phone.
That's a car. That's the car that they had to rescue. It's in the water. Like I was telling you earlier, there's water rushing through the doors right there. Yeah, it's up to the brake lights. The water is. I can see brake lights. I think the car's still on.
No, I doubt it. That was from last night. Nutty. Surely they're not going to try to cross it.
No, there's no way you can cross that. It's a river. That'd be just plain stupid.
Craziness.
It's a river.
This is Highway MM near our house. Totally flooded. I don't think we can see the other end. Too far. What's that, see that sign right there? It tells you how many feet?
Yeah,
What's it
it's
say?
the meters of how deep the flood water
Yeah,
is.
what's it say?
There's actually a branch right in the lake. I can't, it's hard to tell. It's right at 4.
4 foot?
I'm guessing something like that. Either 4 foot or 4 meters.
No, it ain't gonna be meters. We're in the United States. So is that 4 feet above the road? No.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. That's 4 feet above the road.
Wow. I'm gonna go check out another spot.